this about that.
Hell. Like, that's where you're going.
No,
Hell.
I'd be damned if he walked in there and looked good. Oh yeah, Rebecca, I heard you. I want to come in.
Are you videotaping this? That's right, Maria. Get your head in the way.
Let me tell you something, Edward. I got something to say to you. Well, I don't remember.
Yeah, you remember when this is on fucking MySpace.
Okay, put this on your MySpace, Edward. Stop hanging out with all those bunk ass bitches in the bar that like
Ooh, you
drink
had some
all
ugly
day,
chicks next to you
fall
last night.
asleep on you.
I told you to stay away from black
Oh my God, yo.
Did you see him all night? Talking to her.
Veronica saved me. Veronica was like, "You're gonna walk me home, right?" I was like, "Yes, I am."
You let his cigarette smoke inside.
He acts like he's chained.
It's a screen door, motherfucker. What the fuck? It's like, what are you saving? You are a drunk ass motherfucker. You're letting smoke in the door. I'm like, it's got a screen door.
You're letting smoke in the door.
That's what I said.
Just watch the cat, Edward.
Oh
yeah, watch the cat.
The cat's very active today.
No, she actually was in the living room.
Are you
Stop
serious?
taking this.
Oh, you know
Why?
what that is. That's racism.
Why does it look like you're like looking down my chest and shit?
You don't have a chest.
What?
Yes, she does. Right beneath that big old stick.
Now I'm looking down your chest.
You know what? All right, get out of there.
It smells good too.
What, the big old flower?
The flower.
The blooming flower?
She lost that flower a long time ago.
I know that's right.
You know what? Out of all you bitches, I was probably the last to have fucking sex.
Actually,
20s.
she's lying.
lie like
She
a
is so lying.
No, I was 20.
Are you serious?
In my 20s and 20s.
That's when the levee broke when you were in your 20s.
Oh my God.
Did you say when the levees broke?
Yeah.
He said when the levees broke.
It was like
I love Katrina references to black people. I think that's fantastic.
Oh my God.
What? I remember when you had your fucking video camera. You're like, in everybody's face. It's at the camera. Shouldn't be afraid of the camera.
Yeah,
Don't be afraid of the
All this
camera.
shit's gonna end up going on MySpace, and people are gonna be laughing at us.
I'm behind
No,
it.
because you know what? You know what? No. No. Oh my gosh.
She's like, Papa, get out of here.
I'm so glad he didn't catch me with my nose bleeding earlier.
I did. I got a picture of that.
Let me tell you something, goddammit. I have friends at big law firms.
This is what we all think. Just so you know. Because of that.
What we all think.
Because he just did a little workup, a little medical workup in the bathroom to stop the flowing blood. And it's just not because of what we're thinking.
I don't want to hear any of what is going on.
With one P.
It looks weird.
G-R-A-N-D-E.
I can't believe I was saying that because of what we all think. Including myself.
No, you couldn't believe I was wearing it. I thought they were nice.
Edward, stop.
Oh my God! No, before you came, I had a Boogie Nights
Whatever it wasn't bad.
moment where I was sitting down in the living room talking.
No, I'm just scrolling through. I'm sorry.
It's okay. You can videotape. I have no
Oh,
problem.
I was actually just scrolling.
I was having a less than zero moment. Is anyone old enough to appreciate that?
We play that movie every fucking day at the bar.
Oh my God!
Awesome.
Oh, what are you doing? What are we doing? Did you get all that on the tape?
Yeah, man.
Wait, did he get all that conversation?
Did anyone
Yes.
Did anyone catch what he just said?
There's always
Who wants to
cameras.
see my underwear?
There's always cameras.
We have to go inside.
Out of nowhere.
We have to go inside. Just a little bit, but we gotta go inside and,
Oh, here's another.
and organize the table.
Yeah.
No, stop. Because
I say-
I don't want to go to the table
we're
drunk.
already on our shit list, so let's just be on our shit list.
Oh, this is all being recorded.
No,
There's security.
Yes, Maria. Even your voice.
I'm not.
Catching this in all
I
like.
never do shit. You know that. I serve your asses all fucking week. I'm not
Thank
getting
you,
up.
thank
I'm
you,
getting up, I'm
thank
drinking
you,
my wine, I'm
thank
drinking-
you.
This was
That's
my
why I
mission
kept
tonight.
calling you.
You were staying away from the punch. I'm very mad about that.
I am staying away from the punch because I know what that punch does to me.
It does good stuff. It made me.
Like there's no alcohol in
Actually, that punch made me bleed.
Listen, that's what you think.
No problem.
That's why it's so dangerous.
Really? Yeah. It doesn't taste like it.
No, you get
Why don't you slurp it up?
She said, she's like, listen, man, it doesn't taste like it.
Were you fucking drinking straight from the bottle? You fucking lush.
You know what?
Sitting here the whole time.
Alcohol will kill.
Look how much we've had already.
Oh Lord, Kicks is
Okay,
going
Randy,
Not
on.
very much.
Won't you tell
I'm
me?
not going in there because there's wham going on.
Okay.
That's right.
No,
Yo,
sorry.
I love Wham.
I was just in Dublin.
I think I have to put up the
I
time.
know all about the Irish.
Shimon, Jake.
Slancha. Slancha.
Well, come on, Shimon, come on.
That's a Michael Jackson lyric.
Shimon.
What's Simone? He's like,
Annie, are you okay?
Oh, look at you. That's how Michael Jackson
Okay, what
sounds.
the fuck is going on? This is way too.
I love it.
We're turning Japanese.
You know, I really
Got like a branch in
Too young to go there. You know what? Whatever. I'll be 30. So I have to cross my shop. 39.
What?
You can't put that
I saw
on
you at
anyone's
65.
See, that's why y'all.
Everyone thinks I quit
Let me
smoking.
Let's go back to see. Everybody thinks you quit smoking. Oh, okay, yeah. We got your voice.
David.
What's wrong with her? I'm sorry.
Okay, fine.
I was you
Buddy.
was she wasn't even here. She
Yeah.
wasn't even here.
She just called him Bloody Mary.
She was no. Oh, wait. No.
That would have been better.
Bloody Mary would have been out. That would have been nice. No, that would have been nice. Are you still filming this, goddammit?
No.
I'm suing you.
You're carrying around. I don't like it. You want to see my underwear?
No.
I'll show it to you if you don't get that fucking camera on me.
Show us your balls, Randy. Show us your balls.
That's why I'm
No.
Don't do it.
Unless someone pays you, you keep your clothes on.
Show us your toenails.
Usually it happens much later in the day.
That's law.
Are you finished smoking?
Toenails, for Christ's sake.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Matthew, go. You can go now.
The camera knows what you're talking about.
Matthew, you can go now. Matthew,
Matthew.
go. Because he wanted to leave before.
You're going to hell.
Who, me?
If you were a good guest.
If you were a good guest, okay.
Yeah, Prosecco. Yeah, she jacked
You
it
heard
like
that?
yesterday.
She needs Prosecco.
I want you to get it. I want to speak from Peaches.